What is up, guys? I'm back again. Today is Christmas Day. I hope I could provide you guys with some entertainment. We're back at Chris's house. We gotta mock some stuff up for his truck. We gotta actually weld the spring purchase for his differential. So we'll be doing that. We'll be walking through that, setting the pinion angle, getting going on that. But again, this is Chris.
Yes.
We're back again. So let's quit wasting time, guys. Let's get to it. Okay, guys. What we're doing here is we're putting on the U-bolts for the flip kit, but we got the differential spaced evenly on both sides, about 1 3/4. So we have, let's see if this shows up. From that bolt, it's 1 3/4. And that bolt is 1 3/4. So we're gonna line it up, then we're gonna start setting our pinion angle. We're gonna mock everything up so we can get everything welded in. Okay, guys, everything's mocked up. The wheels are back on. We got our clearances all within spec. Where's that measuring tape? Okay, and all I did from the Beltec kit, this is a Ford 8.8. So it's very, very close, but it fits. And that bolt there, it's about 1 3/4. And same thing over here. From that bolt there, it's about 1 3/4, which the spacing, how big is this tire, Chris? A 315?
No, it's a 295.
Oh, it's a 295?
295, 55.
295, 55. This is a pretty big tire. It's pretty close to the leaf spring, but you can see we do have clearance. It's the same on both sides. And this is a drag radial. It's not a bias ply tire, so we won't have any problems with wiggling or rubbing, hopefully. So let's set it on the ground and see what we got. All right, right now we're at 0 degrees. So we're setting the pinion angle so I can tack everything up, weld everything up, and then we'll paint everything, and this will be a wrap for this one. So we're gonna need about 3 or 4 around there in that area. Let's see where we're at. And we left everything loose so we could set the pinion angle. All right, guys, we got everything lined up. We're just gonna tack everything in place. Our Beltec drop shackles. So we're gonna weld them to the diff. So we gotta get that going. The pinion angle is all set. So it's right where we want it. We measured it. It took us a few times, a few tries. I didn't get it on tape because we were struggling with it. But I am gonna tack everything up and get everything going. Welding is the actual Beltec drop shackle, so we're welding that to the diff. We're doing that simply because of strength, man. We don't want this thing to twist, bend. We already got the pinion angle set, so we're gonna be doing that. that'll do.
It's good.
Yeah. Should take some of the paint off. Plug it.
I should have took more paint off.
Yeah. That's why it's popping.
I miss that smell. I love that smell. It reminds me of Nova. Nova smell, that fucking welding.
What's up, Chris? We're back again, man.
What up?
What's going on?
Nothing much.
How come this shit's not done?
We don't know why.
You don't know why? No, man. I just came back. I want to give you guys a quick update on the OBS, the turbo project. We've been pretty busy. We both have lives. We both work full-time jobs, but we'll show you what we did today. We got everything welded in. We set our pinion angle in. Let me get closer. Let's see if that comes out. But it's about 4 degrees. 4 degrees down, so that works out real good. We got our U-bolts, our shackles, our Beltec drop kit. You got this from the junkyard, right, Chris?
Yeah, junkyards.
Okay, you got lucky. You got it at the junkyard. How much you pay for it?
Like $60 with everything.
$60 for that Beltec flip kit, the C-notch kit. Everything came with it. He just got it from the junkyard. You gotta look. You gotta get lucky. You gotta find these parts. But we had to set everything in place to get our back spacing on the wheels. It's very, very close. You're running a 295. What is it?
295/55.
295/55. It's a drag radial.
Yeah, drag radio.
Drag radio. Mickey Thompson. So you see, you had the issue of the back spacing being a little too close to the leaf spring, but that was resolved today. So we got everything taken care of. And what else have we done, man? What else have you done since I last been here? Because everyone wants to know.
I don't remember if I finally finished all the fuel lines.
You finished up all your fueling. Oh, you got the Hellcat, the Walboro 525.
Yeah, 525 in there.
In there. It's
And
all
then
plumbed in.
All plumbed in. All the power. It's got its own relay. It's all plugged in. We got the drive shaft made.
Oh yeah, we got the drive shaft. Where'd you get the drive shaft from?
Spot right here in an Empire right here.
In an Empire drive line
yeah,
in the city of Corona. They actually came out and measured
it.
it. Measured it, went back to the shop, made you it, bring it back to you.
Bring it back, yep. Pretty much.
That was cool, man. It's rated for what? 900 horse?
900 horse.
900 horse
tire.
rated to the tire, man. What else do we have on this side?
We got the pillar pod. I don't know if they've seen that.
Oh, you got your pillar pod put in. You got your oil gauge and your gas gauge.
Yeah. And then I kind of tidied up. I mean, I didn't plug in the power right now, but I also got this little LSX computer holder. Just so
Got a
it's
flashlight?
so the computer's not.
You mounted everything. Oh yeah, that
Yeah.
looks clean, man. You don't want that rattling around in there.
Yeah.
That looks good.
Got that. I got rid of the harness bar that would kill me.
Yeah.
For some
You got rid of
OEM.
the ghetto rig harness bar?
Yeah, got some OEM seat belts.
So OEM seat belts, alright.
Seat belts right here.
That's cool, man.
And then that's pretty much it. And on the engine bay,
Hold on. Close the hood. Close the hood, man. Let's see. If you guys previously remember, I told him to go with these in the first place. He went with some race pins or whatever, but these are a lot cleaner look, sleeker look. It's just push button, push, it releases, push, it releases. And then you lightened up the hood.
yeah, line up the hood.
You cut out the skin just to lose some of the weight because these things weigh a ton. Did that, you got your lights. You did all the wiring for that as well, right?
Yeah, all the wiring is good on there.
All the wiring's good.
Finally got this mounted up too.
The intercooler, it's all solid. It's not gonna move.
Yeah, transmission hoses are all ran.
Oh, transcooler.
Yeah, transcooler's
Transcooler's all ran through.
This for the.
It's just all the little stuff that you got left, right?
Yeah, just little stuff. Finally got oil feed.
The oil feed.
Transmission
Is the oil drain for the turbo done too?
Yeah, oil drain's already done. Got power steering hoses.
Okay, yeah, that's interesting, man. Tell me a little something about these power steering hoses because I heard a lot of things of what people do and what people don't do and what you should do. So tell me what is this?
All right, so this is from like a Tahoe, like a '99 Tahoe right here. This is the pressure side.
That's the pressure
for the
side
99 Tahoe.
from a 99 Tahoe.
Yeah, and then this one is the return from an OBS, original OBS.
Original OBS
Just
return.
new. Yeah, I just got a new one.
And then it's a 99 Tahoe, you said.
99 Tahoe.
So it should be like the NBS, right?
Like an NBS one.
NBS
Any
truck,
NBS,
Tahoe,
yeah, any
Suburban,
NBS.
whatever it may be.
So I'm finally gonna have power steering.
So you got all the power steering lines. That's cool, man.
Yeah.
Got that buttoned up. You also finished up the oil catch can?
Yeah, oil catch can, got it mounted up.
That's pretty good location. Let me
Got
see.
both,
Oh, you got those oil feeders for the. You have two what is it? Passenger side valve covers, right?
Yeah, we got 2 passenger valve covers with the little bung to go to AM fittings.
To go to AM fittings, and they wrap it all the way around to the oil catch can. That's cool, man. So you won't route it back into your intake.
It's cool. And then we got just the radiator hose.
Got the radiator hoses done, and we're gonna be working on the hot side next, right?
Yeah, the hot side for the bottom, for the turbo.
So we're gonna be bringing you guys some more videos of this truck because we gotta finish this thing up, man.
Yeah. Still gotta mount the brake booster too. I got that.
Oh, you got the. I see. You saw someone's video. You got that the MVS brake booster for more better brakes. You got all your lights in as well. You got your lights in, your grill. It's not on there, but that's cool, man. Okay, guys, I just got back home. So I did bring Chris's ECM with me. So I'll be flashing that with HP tuners. I already got a tune for it. Basically, it's a copycat tune. All I'm doing is dragging a file and putting it in his ECM. I did get it from Matt Happel, Sloppy Mechanics. He has a big website. He's known for giving out free information. But he actually has a tune cabinet, which everyone uses. It's just the 500 rear wheel horsepower with a 5.3. It's a GT45 turbo. He has a Walboro 550. He has decap injectors, 4L80E, budget converter, Ford 8.8. It's basically the basic recipe for 500 wheel horsepower. A little bit over. We're gonna push it a little bit, see how far we can get with it. Okay, guys, real quick. This is just my laptop, so we're gonna go to the VCM editor. Okay, and real quick, guys, all I have is actually a bench harness with OBD2 port that I got from the junkyard. My HP tuners, the old one, the MPVI Pro. I have his ECU. So I made this bench harness again from Sloppy Mechanics. It's just basically plugs into power, plugs my OBD2 port into the computer. And it's just basically key on, 12 volt, power on, and then key on, 12 volt. Then we come back to the computer, and we're gonna open this up real quick. So we're gonna read the vehicle. And then it's gonna start reading the ECU. So this is a 2001 Chevy Suburban 1500 5.3, and it's a P01 VIN number, all the other crap that it's reading. So it'll take a little bit to read. Okay, now we're always gonna make sure you save the file as the stock file. So we'll put Chris's stock ECU. So we'll save it there. Okay, now we're able to make changes. So I already downloaded a tune file. Let me see. This is going to be a P01. This is the Colorado, the 2-bar, the decapped 80s, 500 wheelbase. Yeah, that's a PO59, that's a flex. So we're gonna do the PO1. This one, We're gonna open the file. All right, guys, we're copying over the file. And that's it. We are done. Right, completed. We can close. Okay, guys, that's gonna do it for this one. As you saw in the video, we went to Chris's house. So we went to Chris's house simply because we needed to get his pinion angle set for the driveline, and weld up some perches. We did that simply because the Ford 8.8 conversion is a little bit off. It's a little bit off in the sense of the spring perches aren't where they should be. So we had to set them up so they wouldn't move. So that's why we had to weld them. So we welded them, but he will be getting some cowl tracks in pretty soon. So we'll be doing that as well. We will be uploading a few more videos of his truck, of his build, until it's completed, man. That thing is very, very close. And I think everyone wants to see that thing done already. So we'll be doing that. But yeah, this has been a hell of a year. This is going to be the last video of the year, obviously. So I hope everyone is at home, safe with their families, enjoying the holidays. But we got a lot more to come, man. We got this old pig in the back here. This is the Nova that will also be on the channel. So stay tuned for that. We got a lot of new things coming up. So I'm looking forward to the new year. Hopefully we could put 2020 and coronavirus in the past and move on, man. I'm excited about the new year coming up. So yeah, as always, guys, make sure you comment, like, share, and subscribe. Also hit the bell for notifications. If you're not already getting notified about our new videos coming up, you will be. And also, as always, you can follow me on my Instagram at lowlifeyonques, right there, or right there. And I'll catch you guys shortly on the next one.